Next thing I have is about interesting thing I saw about collectible watches. These collectible watches happen to be from Domino's Pizza, of all things. Seems like in the early 80s or late 70s, when Domino's first started, the owner or the founder, Tom Monaghan, was wearing a watch that he had made himself, a Bulova watch that had the Domino's logo on it. And one of the franchisees asked him, "How do you get that watch?" And he said, "Sell $20,000 in a week and I'll give it to you." Well, the guy did, and he had to give him his watch. He gave away Bulovas, then he gave away Seikos, and then they gave away hundreds of $800 Rolexes. They were the Rolex Air King. They had to get $20,000 a week to earn a Rolex, and then they started just raising it up because everybody started doing it. Rolex got hip to it and started collaborating with other brands like Coke and Pan Am and Winn-Dixie and to come up with incentive pieces. Fancy Rolex watches that are branded. But these things have gone up in price. You see them on auctions and they're $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. It's unreal. So now there's another brand called Tudor, which is a sister brand of Rolex, but they're the ones that are doing the licensing thing, the branding thing. And you have to go through a detailed application process, design proposals, stuff like that, because they don't want their name on just anything. So I thought that was kind of interesting. Branded watches. Takeaway on that is hook up with luxury. People love that stuff.